my name is Claudie Larouche. I am the efficient public servant, and today I will help you with your focus. I don't know if you ever get distracted while you work on a focus task. I know for me, the main culprit is incoming emails. Sure, you can ignore the message, but the icon always remains at the bottom of the screen, and it's very distracting for me. Sometimes I know it's going to take me 2 seconds to deal with that email, so I go in my inbox, I archive the message, and then first thing you know, I see other emails that I haven't dealt with yet. I start responding, and 15, 20 minutes has gone by, and I have still not worked on my focus task. So one solution to this problem would be to shut down Outlook entirely, but for me, I found it didn't work very well because oftentimes I need to respond to an email as part of my focus task, or there's information in emails that I need to get to. So instead, the solution that I found works well is to work offline with Outlook. So you can do that easily by clicking on the send receive option here and click on work offline. So what that does is that it's going to disconnect you entirely from the Outlook servers. So there is no new email that will come in ever until you click that button again to turn it back on. Similarly, if you send an email, it's gonna remain in your outbox until you click the button to go back and work online again. So now you can go ahead, work without interruptions, and just don't forget to click that button again to go back online. And that's it for today. That was your tip of the day. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to type them up in the comment section of this video. And if this tip was useful, please share with your team. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I also have a newsletter. The link is in the video description. Thank you and have a great day.